In part 1 of this chapter, we have studied about square and rectangle. Today we will see about triangle. Triangle is a closed figure having three sides. This is a triangle. A, B, C. There are three sides, parts of a triangle, three sides, three angles, and three vertices. So A, the point A, point B, and point C are called the vertices. So a triangle has three vertices, A, B, C, A, comma, B, comma, C, and three angles. That is this angle at the vertex A, angle at the vertex B, and angle at the vertex C. Three angles and three sides, AB, BC, and AC. These three are sides. Side AB, that is a line segment. AB is a line segment. It has end points A and B. So this is denoted like this: AB, BC, and CA or AC. These three are the sides of the triangle. And the angles are angle A, angle B, angle C. This angle A is also written as angle BAC. Angle BAC. A must be at the middle, or angle CAB. CAB. Here we can write simply angle A or angle BAC or angle CAB, but there are some angles like this. A. If we write angle A here, this may be this angle or this angle or this total angle. So at like this situations, we have to write, suppose there are the points on these lines B, C, D. If we want this angle, so we have to write BAC, angle BAC. That is the angle made at A by the rays BA and CA. So BAC. Similarly, this angle is written as angle CAD, and this angle, the total angle, is written as angle BAD. So in this triangle, we can simply call it as angle A or angle BAC or angle CAB. So these are the parts of the triangle, and the triangles are divided according to the sides as three types. One is equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means the triangle in which all the sides are equal. That is, AB is equal to BC is equal to CA. If the three sides are equal, it is called equilateral triangle. Next, isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle means if two angles are equal, only two sides are equal, it is called an equilateral triangle. If the three sides are equal, it is called equilateral triangle. A triangle in which the three sides are equal, it is called equilateral triangle. In an equilateral triangle, the three angles are also equal. As the sides are equal, the angles are also equal. Next, if two sides of a triangle are equal, it is called isosceles triangle. Two sides. And the angles opposite to the equal sides, suppose if these two sides are equal, the angles opposite to these two sides are also equal. That is this angle and this angle. As these two sides are equal, angles opposite to these two sides are also equal. It is isosceles triangle in which two sides are equal. If three sides are different in a triangle, then it is called a scalene triangle. Scalene triangle. If three sides are different, then the triangle is called scalene triangle. In this, the three angles are also different. Next, perimeter of a triangle. Perimeter. Perimeter is the sum of the sides of a triangle, square or a rectangle, whatever, a closed figure. So the sum of the three sides of a triangle is called the perimeter, that is equal to the side 1 plus side 2 plus side 3, or AB plus BC plus CA. Sum of the three sides of a triangle is called perimeter. Next, area of the triangle. Area of a triangle is equal to half base into height. Half base into height. Suppose ABC is a triangle. We can take any side as a base, but here we take BC as the base. BC as the base. Therefore, half into BC into height. Height means from the vertex opposite to this base, if a perpendicular is drawn, then its length is called the height h. Let this point be D. So, if BC is taken as the base, if a perpendicular is drawn from the opposite vertex, that is A, to this base, then the length of that perpendicular AD is called the height h. AD, which is called h, that is equal to half BC base into AD height, half BH. So area of a triangle is half BH. This is the main formula for the area of a triangle. For any triangle, it can be used if we know the height. So if the three angles of a triangle are equal, then it is an equilateral triangle, because if three angles are equal, the three sides are also equal, and it is an equilateral triangle. If two angles are equal, two sides are also, two opposite sides are equal, therefore it is an isosceles triangle. If an angle is 90 degrees in a triangle, if an angle is 90 degrees in a triangle, this is called right triangle. Right triangle or right angled triangle. Right angled triangle. Right angle means 90 degrees. 90 degrees is denoted like this. So right angled triangle. In the right angled triangle, let it be ABC, and the angle at B is right angle 90 degrees. Then AB is equal to its height, as it is a perpendicular. It is the height, and BC is the base. Therefore, for this triangle, the area is equal to base half base BC into height AD, or half BC into AB. That is half into product of the sides forming the right angle. Product of the sides forming right angle. So for a right angle triangle, area is equal to half into product of the two sides which form a right angle. Area of a triangle is generally half BH, half base into height. Here we take BC as the base. We need height. Therefore, we will draw a perpendicular from the opposite vertex. Let this point be D. As the three sides are equal, or as these two sides are equal, this perpendicular bisects the base. It intersects exactly at the midpoint of the base. It bisects the base. Therefore, this is equal to this. Suppose if A is the side of the triangle, the three sides are equal to A, then this is A by 2 and this is A by 2. And it is the height h. So we can find out the height h. We can find out the height h from this triangle, from this right angled triangle. This is H, this is A by 2 and this is A. So using Pythagoras theorem, this is the diagonal in this right angled triangle. This is the diagonal. Therefore A square is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides, H square plus A by 2 whole square. So the H square is equal to A square, H square is equal to A square, and taking this to this side, it becomes minus A by 2 whole square. That is equal to A square minus A square by 4, or 4A square minus A square by 4, that is equal to 3A square by 4. Whereas this is H square. Therefore H is equal to square root of 3A square by 4, or root 3 A square root A by root 4 is 2. Therefore H is equal to root 3A by 4. We can write this like this. Root 3 by 2A. Height of the equilateral triangle in terms of the side is root 3 by 2A. Now substituting in this formula, area of the equilateral triangle is half B, that is the base. Base is equal to A into H, root 3 by 2 into A. Now finding the product, root 3 A into A, root 3 A square by 2 into 2, 4. So root 3 by 4 A square. Area of the equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 A square. Root 3 by 4 A square. So this is also one main formula. This is the area, general formula. Area is equal to half BH, and for any triangle, area is equal to half BH, where B is the base and H is the height. And this is the area of the equilateral triangle, root 3 by 4 A square. Let us take a triangle whose sides are different. A, B, C. Three sides are, lengths are different. Let this be A. Generally, the vertex opposite side for vertex A is written as A, and this is taken as B, and angle C, opposite to angle C, is taken as C. Anyway, the sides of the triangle are A, B, C. Then the area of this scalene triangle is A is equal to root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, where S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. This is the formula for a scalene triangle. Square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, where S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. We will take an example. Suppose if the sides are 15 centimeters, 16 centimeters and 19 centimeters, the sides of a triangle, then find the area. First we will find S. S is equal to 15 plus 16 plus 19 by 2. That is 15 plus 16, 31. 31 plus 19, 50. 50 by 2 is equal to 20. Next, area is equal to square root of 25 into 25 minus A. 25 minus 15, 10 into 25 minus 16, that is 9, into 25 minus 19. 25 minus 19, 6. That's all, 6. So this is equal, A is equal to, this is equal to 25, square root of 25 into square root of 10, 9, we will write 9, it is a perfect square, 9 into 10 into 6, 60, or 60 square root of 60. This is equal to square root of 25 is 5, square root of 9 is 3, and the square root of 16 can be divided as 4 into 15. 4 15, 60. That is equal to root 4 is 2. Therefore, this will be 5 3 is 15 into root 4 is 2 into root 15. 15 to 30, 30 root 15. So, A is equal to 30 root 15 units, area units. Thus, we can find the area of a scaling triangle. So, for an equilateral triangle, area is equal to root 3 by 4 into A square. Root 3 by equilateral triangle. For an isosceles triangle also, we have to, you can, if this is an isosceles triangle, these two sides are equal, then this perpendicular bisects because these two sides are equal. Let us name it ABC and this is D and it is perpendicular. AD is the height and BC is equal to base. Let it be B. Then if this side bisects, suppose this side is given as A, this is A by 2 and this is A by 2. BC is equal to A, let it be A. Then the perpendicular bisects this base because these two sides are equal. Then from the Pythagoras theorem, from this triangle ABD, we can find H. We know these two sides equal, some B or B, something. So we can, as we know A by 2 and B, we can calculate H. That is H square is equal to this side's B square minus A by 2 whole square. Thus you can calculate H is equal to square root of this one. And substitute in the formula, area is equal to half BH. Or you can use this formula simply. A is equal to S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C.